A self-directed IRA could be the perfect option for rolling over your 401k into total control, especially if you're a retiree looking to take charge of your financial future. Imagine having complete freedom over how and where your retirement funds are invested. No more relying on traditional, often limited investment options. You're the one making the decisions, and that's exactly why a self-directed IRA stands out. Before we get into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next few weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this guide could be exactly what you need to secure your financial future. Now let's talk about why a self-directed IRA is such a game changer. The main benefit is that it gives you total control over your investments. While traditional IRAs or 401ks often limit your options to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a self-directed IRA allows you to invest in anything from real estate and private equity to precious metals like gold. For retirees, especially those with a 401k or IRA, this control can make a huge difference in how your wealth grows, and more importantly, how it's protected. If you've ever thought about diversifying beyond traditional stock market investments, this could be the perfect opportunity. When you're in control, you can adjust your portfolio based on your personal risk tolerance, market conditions, and what you're truly passionate about investing in. No more wondering if your advisor is making the right decisions. You're in the driver's seat. But here's the big question. Why would you want to roll over your 401k into a self-directed IRA? It comes down to freedom and flexibility. Your 401k may be stuck with limited investment options that don't necessarily align with your personal goals or values. Plus, you're relying on someone else to make investment decisions. When you roll over to a self-directed IRA, you get to set the course for your retirement. For example, let's say you're concerned about inflation or stock market volatility. With a self-directed IRA, you can invest in precious metals like gold, one of the safest, most stable investments for protecting wealth. Not only are you shielding yourself from market fluctuations, but you're also building a hedge against inflation. For American retirees, especially those with larger savings in their 401k or IRA, having this kind of control can make a significant difference in your peace of mind. Now, you might be wondering, why not just stick with traditional investments? The answer is simple. Traditional IRAs and 401ks often don't provide the level of protection or growth that a self-directed IRA can offer, especially when you incorporate alternatives like gold. Traditional investments like stocks are far more susceptible to market swings and inflation, while a self-directed IRA allows you to grow and protect your wealth with assets that have stood the test of time. If you're looking for a secure way to diversify and protect your wealth, rolling over your 401k into a self-directed IRA and adding precious metals like gold might be the solution you've been searching for. If you're serious about securing your financial future, especially if you have 100k plus in your 401k or IRA or even 5 plus in savings, now's the time to take control. Once again, click the first link in the description to get your free guide and learn how a gold IRA can help you protect your wealth. It's the perfect step for retirees who want to secure their savings for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't wait. Take action now and ensure that your retirement savings are in the best hands possible, your own.